Hello, I'm Alena, creative director and founder of KoReni with 15 years in product development. Today we are talking about something special, a blend of tradition and innovation in jewelry. Are you someone who appreciates pieces that tell a meaningful story? That's KoReni, bringing Serbian cultural heritage to the forefront.
I'm Dragana, co-founder and cultural heritage strategist with 24 years working with museums. Many individuals aged 25 to 45 seek jewelry with history and cultural roots. Yet, Serbia's rich heritage remains hidden with museum walls.
KoReni transforms authentic Serbian motifs from museum archives into stunning 3D printed jewelry. Our pilot collection, Preokret, launched on Instagram without advertising, proving organic demand. 4 sales, 80 followers in just 10 days.
Smart Start's focus on cultural innovation perfectly aligns with our mission. In 9 months, we'll design for 10 motifs, create 50 exclusive pieces, and host 3 exhibitions.
We will establish KoReni as a sustainable cultural brand that inspires others entrepreneurs. Join us. Together, we position Serbian craftsmanship on the global stage.